Hey everyone, welcome to Cook with V. Today I want to show you my favorite way to cook a salmon fillet. It's really easy, simple, fast, very healthy and delicious. And all of the ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So for ingredients, super simple. We have our key ingredient, soy sauce. We have some ginger here. And in addition to that, we'll use about 8 cloves of garlic, some red chili flakes, and that's optional. Some olive oil, salt and pepper. And then here I have a 1 pound of salmon fillet. And you can scale the ingredients up and down based on the amount of salmon you have. So the first step is you want to grate the ginger and the garlic using a grater or microplane, and you want to get this paste. The same with the garlic. And trust me when I say you do need to grate it. I think it makes a huge difference in this recipe that the ginger and the garlic are grated. So I've added my grated ginger and garlic with my salmon in a baking dish. And that comes to about 3 tablespoons of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Again, you want that flavor of the ginger to come through. And if you don't have time to grate the ginger and the garlic, of course you can use a garlic ginger paste, but I really prefer to use fresh garlic and ginger. And to that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Again, that's for about a pound of salmon. And I'm gonna add some freshly ground pepper. And for those who want a little bit more kick, I'm adding about half a tablespoon of red chili flakes. Okay, great. Add some olive oil here. About, I would say, 1 tablespoon. We're gonna mix it all together. Make sure that it's evenly distributed, top, bottom, everywhere. Our oven is preheated to 375, and we're gonna let our salmon sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the salmon. So after 20 minutes at 375 in the oven, this is the final product. It's all cooked, it smells amazing, and it looks great. In the meantime, I was waiting for the fish. I prepped myself a side vegetable dish. I had some dandelion and tomatoes, but you can have any side dish you want. And then I made some white rice to go with it. It's a perfect combination of flavors. I love this recipe because it's so easy, simple, healthy, and just very tasty. Please like and subscribe, and when you make this, share with the ones you love.